Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to you my week 1 unboxing for the first week, obviously, of spring summer 20. Now week 1 didn't exactly go according to plan for me personally. Obviously I was able to get the beanie and a tee, but it was a bit of a mess for me personally and not my finest moment. But yeah, we were still able to end up with a 2-pack tee, which I'll probably hold on to for a little bit of time. And we got a beanie as well. As always, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from week 1. If they have, what did you cop? Are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling it? If they haven't, do you have a date when they're going to arrive? And are you going to be doing the same? Other than that, what are people going to be going for week 2? I know what I'm going to be going for, hopefully if all things go well. And yeah, other than that, let's just get into this because it's going to be a very short and easy unboxing. Okay, so as per norm, it's obviously time to unbox. I've got a pair of scissors because as most people know, I'm just one of the best unboxers for Supreme in general. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. I do just want to say, obviously, I'm not going to be putting any of this on, so if you are expecting anything like that or seeing anything up close in detail, I recommend you go check out Sleepy or SLXXPY, just because he has everything up close, you know, the full thing. So yeah, let's just start this off. God. Let's start this off. So hopefully I can get 2 ponchos in here. That's the plan, because I want one for myself, one to wear possibly, or if not, just so I can have one, then my brother can have one. So yeah, that'd be hopefully a plan, but we'll see. I see a poncho, so that is a good start. There it is. Ballpark poncho, spring summer 20 white. Cool. Apart from that, there is the beanie, obviously, but there's also a sticker pack, which I love to collect stickers, obviously, or I love to collect the sticker packs. So this one has the black cat and the 2-pack sticker, which I'm actually quite happy about, to be honest. So there's the accessory and the sticker. Now we obviously have the beanie, being the overdyed beanie in the royal blue colorway. I thought that it was actually a slate colorway when I was going to go for it, but it's actually a royal blue or dark royal color. But yeah. So it's different, but I like the colour. It's almost close to, or very, very close to a purple. Also, the logo is so slanted, yikes. That's not even funny. I mean, it is funny, but that is so slanted. Look, look. Well, that's great. I saw someone's post on Facebook showing that their shop tee was like at a 30-degree angle or so, instead of like being level, it was like 30 degrees up and printed. So yeah, I think I've had the same thing. They said did Stevie Wonder do their printing, so I'm guessing he did the stitching on this as well for me. But let's just move on to the 2-pack tee now, which is in the slate colorway, I believe. Now this doesn't look as thick as the beanie bag, so I get that feeling that there's not going to be a poncho in here. Yeah, there is no poncho. We have 2 stickers, actually, not 1, 2 box logo stickers. And then the tee itself, which is, yeah, in the light slate colorway. The box that's around it really threw me off, because obviously the box that they have is a like black print. So when I saw that then, I was like, oh, they've sent me the wrong colorway, which would actually have been a good thing, but no, it is the slate colorway, and yeah, it's in medium. It's not my size in any way. I tried to check out like a large white, but got this. I know a lot of people on the day who also tried to check out white medium or white small or XL, and they were given a confirmation page for a pale mint color, which is obviously not what they ordered in the end. Unfortunately, I didn't get one of the box logo stickers, the bling ones that came out, so I'll have to see about picking one of them up, or hopefully they send stuff like that with week 2 orders. And yeah, I'll try to get 2 orders from week 2 to see if I get those as well. But anyway, this is the tee. I'll go up close, but obviously most people have already seen it and everything. I'm not going to be getting it out because obviously also it's not my size, so yeah. I'll probably just end up holding on to this for a while and then that'll be it pretty much. I'll probably end up getting retail back for it as well, knowing my luck or knowing me in general. But yeah, that is this week one unboxing. It's not as extravagant as some people's are probably going to be with like, I don't know, like 5 to 10 or more items, but yeah, that's what you get from me, I suppose, at the end of the day. So if you enjoyed this video, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, like I said, let me know down below what you copped, whether it's for the personal, whether you're going to be stocking it, whether you're going to be rocking it. I might be this beanie at some point, but yeah, I cleared out like a load of beanies and load of other stuff about a week and a bit ago, but I'll probably be clearing out some more stuff, to be honest, that I've got. So yeah, because I haven't worn some of the pieces in a little bit of time, and I just feel like I might as well just get rid of them at the end of the day. So anyway, that is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for a live cop where hopefully everything goes well ish, and yeah, that's it from me. Peace.